about a 2014 Cadillac. These new uh these new ones, and this is, and anyways, it just came out the box. I replaced one, and I said before I replace the other one, let me make a video and to show you guys. But anyway, so the number for majority of these lights at 9012, they have a variety different as far as whether you want bright lights or other type of clarity. They have a variety of them. The old one that came out of it, that's the old one. And when we driving at night, you could better see the road with this one. It's not like you blew out. It just, there was no clarity left on this one. So with these, they're a little bit expensive. It's about 87, 89 bucks for the for the box, as far as the box come with two. So we're gonna go ahead and replace the other one, because like I said, I already replaced one. So I decided to make a video to show you before I replace the other one. Let's get to it. So as you can see, I turned my tire, the driver's side tire, to the left, to the right. The reason being is because I want to have access in this area. All right. So the tool that you're gonna need, I was lucky enough to find something like this. It looks like an island screwdriver, and it's small enough where I have room to work with it. And the only thing you're gonna need to take out is two screws, one here, three, one here, one there, and one up here. So I already pre-loosening the screws, and you can see it's only three of them. And once you do that, you just pry that out. Once you pry it out just a little bit, all you want to be able to see the bulb from the inside. And of course, this is where the bulb comes from, right here. And I already had it down here. And all you have to do is just take it out. And replace it with the new one. Just don't touch the lens with your fingers. You can touch the rubber plastic part, but just don't touch the lens. If you're gonna touch the lens, just wear gloves. Once you replace the bulbs, then you go and place it right there inside the housing fixture, and just give it a little twist. Make sure it's snug, just a little twist, and you should be done. Then after that, you put your three screws back, then you're done. So all I can say, it looks way better than the old headlights or light bulbs. These are the new ones. They look a little bit brighter, way brighter. So anyway, guys, that is all it takes to replace your bulb.